As a homeowner in Orangeburg, you're likely always on the lookout for ways to enhance the comfort and value of your property. One often overlooked yet impactful upgrade is installing energy-efficient windows. These windows not only reduce energy consumption and improve home comfort but also significantly boost property value. Let's explore how energy-efficient windows can be a game-changer for your Orangeburg home. Enhanced energy saving. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy loss by providing superior insulation. In Orangeburg's climate, where summers are hot and winters can be chilly, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature is a year-round challenge. Traditional windows often allow heat to escape in winter and enter during summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows feature technologies like low emissivity, low-E coatings, multiple panes of glass, and argon gas fills, which minimize heat transfer. This leads to lower heating and cooling bills, a benefit that appeals to potential buyers. According to the National Association of Realtors, homes with energy-efficient features sell faster and at higher prices, as buyers recognize the long-term cost savings these features offer. Increased curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially in the real estate market. Upgraded windows can dramatically improve your home's aesthetic appeal. Modern energy-efficient windows come in various styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose options that complement your home's architecture. Potential buyers in Orangeburg often prioritize homes that look well-maintained and modern. By replacing outdated windows with sleek, energy-efficient models, your home becomes more visually appealing. This investment can make your property stand out in a competitive market and create a lasting impression on prospective buyers. Environmental appeal. Today's buyers are increasingly eco-conscious and seek homes that reflect their values. Energy-efficient windows reduce the carbon footprint of a home by lowering energy consumption. For Orangeburg residents, where environmental sustainability is becoming a priority, showcasing your home as an eco-friendly option can be a major selling point. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not just saving money, you're making a statement about environmental responsibility. Many buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes that align with their green lifestyle goals, making this an upgrade that resonates on multiple levels. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Beyond energy savings, energy-efficient windows offer tangible improvements in comfort. These windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures by preventing drafts and reducing hot or cold spots near windows. This is particularly important in Orangeburg, where weather fluctuations can make traditional windows less effective. Additionally, energy-efficient windows often provide superior noise insulation. If your home is near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods, these windows can reduce outdoor noise significantly. For buyers prioritizing peace and quiet, this feature can make your home more attractive. High return on investment, ROI. One of the key factors Orangeburg homeowners consider when making improvements is the return on investment. Energy-efficient windows offer one of the highest ROIs for home improvement projects. According to industry reports, Homeowners can expect to recoup up to 70–80% of their investment when selling a home with upgraded windows. Moreover, homes with energy-efficient windows tend to appraise higher, giving you a better chance to secure favorable terms when refinancing or selling. This combination of immediate and long-term financial benefits makes upgrading to energy-efficient windows a smart decision. Incentives and rebates in Orangeburg. To further sweeten the deal, Orangeburg homeowners may qualify for incentives and rebates when installing energy-efficient windows. These programs, often sponsored by local utility companies or government agencies, help offset the initial cost of the upgrade. Buyers are increasingly drawn to homes with energy-efficient features, especially when those upgrades come with documented savings or certifications like Energy Star. By highlighting these benefits during the sales process, you can position your home as a value-packed option in the Orangeburg market. Conclusion: energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade, they're a transformative investment for Orangeburg homeowners. From reducing energy costs to enhancing comfort and boosting property value, these windows check all the boxes for a worthwhile home improvement project. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more efficient and comfortable space, installing energy-efficient windows is a decision that pays dividends. Don't wait to make this smart upgrade. Your wallet, your comfort, and your home value will thank you.